are going forward. In accent, when we collect, we take this up. Center, heels up. Center, bend both, heels up. Okay? Or what we can do is just go up with your knee and collect going from the top. We go up, flat foot, and collect. The other one it was everything goes up and we use the toes, very soft. Or one thing that you will do, pivot on the back leg will be the right. Pivot at the moment that we go forward. Pivot, collect. Back, collect. Pivot, collect, and pivot. Then we say that we can slide with the heel, see, and use the hip. Usually this is wrong in tango, see, we cannot stretch the knee and go up with the heel, but it's our decision, see, so to make the music softer. And then when we go forward, the same thing. I don't bend the knee, I stretch, and I go up with the heel. And then collect. Could be bending or could be just stretching. See, the idea is that you move your hips forward in a way that it's kind of wave. Now the music is going to be softer in this way. Okay?
And for me, then that's it. For the leader, it's only forward.
The idea is don't change the speed, no? Of course, it's possible to change the speed if you want, but the idea is that they talk or give different points of head point. Okay?
Even if we keep the same rate.
Then we say this side to the diagonal, cross, tac, tac, boom.
And then we say the same, but in this case I don't fork and cross. I go in one
Sorry. So your upper body it's leading the main body and the lower body it's leading the reference.
Sa, raja, boom, ra.
But if you see he's not coming to touch my legs, especially with the right.
The step is the same.
Always.
Forward,
Forward. But
If you want the daily cross, what are you going to do when you go forward with the right? Is to go to the line of parallel. He comes to me with mistake. If you don't want the cross, what you have to do is just go straight. But the upper body should be constantly going forward in the way that maybe it doesn't cross or maybe it doesn't stop in every step. Okay?
Abbiamo detto un noto in avanti,